Hello students, today's topic is AWS Networking and Content Delivery Services. AWS Networking and Content Delivery Services are a set of tools provided by Amazon Web Services to help users securely connect, manage, and deliver applications and content across internet or within private networks. The first category is Network Foundations. Under that, we have Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, AWS Transit Gateway, AWS Private Link. AWS Private Link is a networking service that connects your VPC to AWS services or third-party services privately. AWS Network Transit Gateway is a networking service that acts as a central hub for connecting multiple VPCs and on-premises networks. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon VPC, is a service that allows users to create an isolated network within AWS Cloud where they can securely deploy and manage AWS resources like servers, database, and applications. Second category, that is application networking. We have Amazon VPC Lattice, Elastic Load Balancing, AWS App Mesh, Amazon API Gateway. Amazon VPC Lattice is a managed service by AWS that simplifies networking and application layer communication between services across multiple virtual private clouds or accounts. AWS App Mesh is a service mesh solution from AWS that simplifies application and monitoring between the microservices in modern applications. Now, what are microservices? It's an architectural style where an application is divided into small, independent services that work together to fulfill the application requirements. Each service focuses on a specific business function and communicates with other services via defined API. AWS API Gateway is a fully managed service that allows developers to create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure API at any scale. Elastic Load Balancing is an AWS service that distributes incoming traffic across multiple targets to ensure high availability. Next is Edge Networking. Under that, we have Amazon CloudFront, Amazon Route 53, and AWS Global Accelerator. Amazon CloudFront is a global content delivery network for delivering websites, videos, APIs with low latency. Amazon Route 53 is a scalable, highly available domain name system web service designed to route end users' requests to applications hosted on AWS or on-premises. Amazon Global Accelerator is a service that improves the performance of a global application by routing the traffic to the nearest AWS edge location. Hybrid connectivity, AWS Direct Connect, AWS Direct Connect, AWS Site-to-Site VPN, and AWS VPN Client VPN, and AWS Cloud WAN. AWS Direct Connect is a cloud service that establishes a dedicated private network connection between your on-premises environment and AWS. This private connection can offer lower latency and more consistent network performance and better security compared to standard internet-based connection. AWS Site-to-Site VPN. AWS Site-to-Site VPN is a service that allows you to securely connect your on-premises network or data center to your Amazon Virtual Private Cloud VPC using an IPsec VPN tunnel. Next is AWS Client VPN is a fully managed VPN service that enables secure access to your AWS resources and on-premises networks. It allows users to connect to their network from anywhere using OpenVPN compatible client software. AWS Cloud WAN Wide Area Network is a fully managed service that enables you to build, manage wide area network across multiple locations. The last category is network security, that is AWS Shield, AWS WAF, AWS Network Firewall, and AWS Firewall Manager. AWS Shield is a managed distributed denial of service protection service provided by AWS. AWS Shield provides robust protection for AWS services such as Amazon CloudFront, Elastic Load Balancing, Amazon Route 53, and Amazon Global Accelerator, ensuring that your applications remain secure and resilient in the face of malicious traffic. AWS WAF is a managed web application firewall that protects web applications and API from common threats such as SQL injection. AWS WAF allows you to create a custom security rules to filter HTTPS traffic to your web applications and API, providing a layer of protection against malicious threats and unwanted traffic. Next is AWS Firewall. Network Firewall is a managed scalable firewall service designed to protect Amazon virtual private clouds from inbound and outbound network threats. AWS Firewall Manager is a centralized management service that simplifies the configuration and management of AWS WAF, Web Application Firewall, and AWS Network Firewall and other AWS security services across your AWS environment. It enables you to apply consistent security policies across multiple accounts, VPCs, and applications within AWS, making it easier to enforce rules, monitor activity, and ensure the security of your resources. Thank you.